My trip to Tokyo began with Nick and Yoey at Hollywood Studios. Then we headed to the Animal Kingdom, followed by Epcot. We ended the night at the Magic Kingdom for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. The next morning, we took a flight to Disneyland and California Adventure. The morning after that, it was off to Tokyo. We stayed at the Hotel Miracosta, which is located inside Disney Sea. Disney Sea is a unique park, the scale and scope of something you've never seen before. And its centerpiece is this volcano, which is part of an area inspired by Jules Verne, featuring 2 rides, Journey to the Center of the Earth and 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. This park also features its version of rides like Soaring, the Tower of Terror, you'll even find Turtle Talk with Crush, not to mention Toy Story Midway Mania and Indiana Jones. There's even this indoor Little Mermaid section, which features some kiddie rides, shopping, and even some quick service dining. This area is very cool. Disney Sea has a lot to offer. It even has its own Duffy store, because Duffy is huge here. Now, the monorail to Tokyo Disneyland is a short ride, however, it does require a fee. You can buy one-day tickets or multi-day tickets. Be sure to have cash on hand, because yen will be the easiest way to transact these machines. And once you finally arrive at Tokyo Disneyland, you will be in awe of Main Street. There are lots of similarities between Tokyo Disneyland and the original Disneyland in Anaheim. However, this place has a style and feel that will make you feel like you're entering Disneyland for the first time. And with rides like Beauty and the Beast, you will feel that distinct magic right away. And the Tiki Room was a pleasant surprise. They even offer tablet-style devices to help with translation. This is Haunted Mansion?
I'm here.
You're here?
I'm here.
But do you have a Small World shirt from when we ride Small World?
I do not have a Small World shirt.
I'm going to get you a Small World popcorn bucket. You can wear it around your neck like Flava Flav.
Let's go.
私のために僕は本当に頑張ったんだ。みんなの夜。 Are you excited for Small World? And yes, Tokyo Disneyland still has Splash Mountain. Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea are actually owned and operated by the Oriental Land Company, and in many ways, they are doing Disney better than Disney is doing at home in the States. So if you're thinking of booking your next Disney trip, consider Tokyo Disneyland. You'll feel like you're entering Disney for the first time.